Who say Buju no fit single tell the motherfucker.
Hey!
16 bar on your favorite rapper.
Hey!
Nigga we still sappy flow proper. Big giant 5-4 from smelting now. You're looking at the mix of burner boy and two papa. With a sprinkle of the lid and Frank Ocean shot.
Yo, this eating!
No say these people know they might.
Yo, he's eating up this second verse, man. Next track we have Never Stopped. I guess it's on a motivational P, man. Inspired to inspire. Okay? Okay?
See, sunshine I hit, get off the sheets. I say a little prayer and I burn a split because I still they breathe. I'm on my feet, and I know tons of niggas still hoping I quit. I've never stopped in my life, so tell me why would I stop now?
Okay, tell him.
My to achieve in my life, I hustle till the sun come down.
Oh, this is calm. This is so ambient, man. It's so loungy, it's chilling, like. Okay, interesting. I can see where he's going with this. I can see the introduction, like. The thing about, like, I've said this time and time again, when it comes to sequencing a project, it's so important to have your first couple records be as dynamic to at least keep people engaged to it. I like what he's doing. I like the vibe of this song. I love the pace already. I could definitely feel it. But just from flowing down from the top to bottom, I think it's so significant to have your second song to try and like peak or change the atmosphere a little bit to be a little bit more drastic and dynamic from the intro song. The intro song was calm, it was very mid-tempo, it was a very bouncy song that felt inspirational. We're getting into another inspirational bag, but I would have loved for the pace to be a little bit different, the atmosphere to be a little bit different to like signify like, okay, this is a transition. Usually that's when the second song is supposed to like signify, oh, we're starting this project. But if the second song is sounding like this, it's making me think maybe the entire project is having a similar pace, a similar atmosphere already. Maybe you can hear some like, a little bit of a Made in Lagos type influence or post Made in Lagos type effect on this project so far. It's very loungy. I can hear sax in the back. I can hear a lot of like calm, like, just calm keys, very soft keys on there. It doesn't seem drastic. It doesn't seem chaotic. It's very, very like intimate, like type record. But either way, it's on the motivational P, which is already sounding like this is the entire, like the overarching theme of the album, which like makes sense if he's going that direction.
Who say Buju no fit single tell the motherfucker.
Hey!
16 bar on your favorite rapper.
Hey!
Nigga we still sappy flow proper. Big giant 5-4 from smelting now. You're looking at the mix of burner boy and two papa. With a sprinkle of the lid and Frank Ocean shot.
Yo, this eating!
No say these people know they might.
Yo, he's eating up this second verse, man. I didn't see this coming. Let's run that back. Man is talking his shit though. He's saying, no, let's run it back. Bro, I didn't see that. See, look, it's important to to set up a song properly, because I could never see this kind of verse coming, man. I could not see this coming. What?
But you know if you single tell the motherfucker. Drop a 16 bar on your favorite rapper. I'm a single nigga with still sappy flow proper. Big giant 5-4 from smelting now.
This man is talking. He's talking.
A
little mix of Two Baba and Burna Boy. That's facts. That's facts. You can hear the influences of Two Baba and Burna for sure. Definitely. You can definitely hear it.
Big giant 5-4 from smelting now. You're looking at the mix of Burna Boy and two papa. With a sprinkle of Khalid and Frank Ocean shot. You get me shot.
With a sprinkle of Khalid and Frank Ocean. This guy is okay. This is engaging. I like the second. I like the shit talking in the second verse so far. Pen. Can the drum rolls, the live drums. I love it. It's very, very slow, very tender Afrobeat type like bounce to it, man.
I've never stopped in my life, so tell me why would I stop now?
Why would I stop now?
That's much to achieve in my life. I hustle till the sun come down.
This is calm. This is calm.
Every single thought the motherfucker drop a 16 bar on your favorite
Rapper.
I'm a singer nigga, was just happy flow proper. Big giant 5-4 from smelting.
That was clearly and obviously the highlight of the song. That second verse, man. That run on the second verse, talking this shit about like drop a 16 bar on your favorite rapper. Like, come on. I liked it. But again, the sequencing is what's like throwing me off a little bit. But I think it's still an interesting record. Again, we're getting the Made in Lagos type synergy. You know what I mean? Like, sorry, energy, like a vibe, almost the atmosphere of that. And I'm here for it. Like based on the production, and I like how detailed the production is so far. And you guys are feeling the 91% on that song, Abby. Okay, 91%. Fair enough.